is going on, guys? Road here again from Tech Unleashed with another unboxing for you. Today we're going to be unboxing the Corsair Vengeance K70 mechanical gaming keyboard. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's look around the box here. At the front we have a picture of the keyboard. I got the silver and blue version. Some key features. So if we focus here and zoom, it's a Cherry MX Red key switches. Whoops. Key-by-key customizable backlighting and contour textures WASD and 1 through 6 keycaps. So in the picture on the front you can see that all the WASD and 1 through 6 buttons are red, whereas the rest of them are black. It comes with custom keys that you can switch out, so you can easily find them in the dark, and they're textured and all. So more features, back another picture with a diagram and all. So here it just says Vengeance Corsair, and again, and then all legal stuff. Let's go ahead and tear this thing open. Oh, if I want to use the right side of the knife. This retails for $125. I got this for $100 off eBay, but of course I'll always put the Amazon link down in the description box below, right below the like button. Alright. So that's just a sleeve, and underneath is a cardboard box with the keyboard in it. And there is the keyboard itself. So it's wrapped nicely in plastic. Looks like the cable is wired through this little hole here. Alright, so just put the keyboard aside for a second. Oop, just dropped the pamphlet. Alright, so quick start guide, warranty guide, most of the stuff that you never read, another warranty card. Alright, so here are the textured key switches. Yeah, there has like a rubber texture, I kind of like it, and then there's a key removal tool, so you can swap them out pretty easily, and a palm rest for keyboard. So throw away the cardboard. Let's bring the keyboard back. Take it out of the plastic. It's a nice clicking sound, I like it. So here's the palm rest to go, it clicks in on the bottom. Let's see if I can figure this out. There. So that's how the keyboard would look without any of the key switches put in. So if you notice, when you look at the side of the keyboard, the keys are slightly raised. That's because there's LED backlighting, and creates a nice underglow effect, which I really like about Corsair's gaming keyboards. It's one of the reasons why I bought this, and creates a really nice underglow effect. This particular silver one is backlit with blue LEDs, but the all black and red one is backlit with red LEDs. So looking at the buttons, we up here we have a volume wheel, a volume mute, your media controls, pause, play, skip back, skip forward, stop. Here we have the Windows lock key, so you don't accidentally press it while you're playing a game, which would be pretty useful for Windows 8. Here's the brightness control for your LED backlighting, and here is your mode control for your LEDs, because you can individually select which keys are lit. So say you want only your WASD or your number keys lit while you're playing a game, you can easily just press this button and have it switch. So yeah, that's pretty much it in terms of the keyboard. Now let's see what else we have here. We have a USB pass-through. I don't know if you can see that. There. There's a USB pass-through right there, and there's also a BIOS switch, so it increases the compatibility with other with your computer type. So say, because they were having trouble with that with their old keyboard. Sometimes the computer didn't recognize it during the BIOS startup. And if you notice, there's two USB ports. That's because one of them is for the pass-through. So say you plug in your mouse or something into the pass-through, then you have to plug in both into the back of your computer. But if you're not, and they're clearly labeled. One has the icon, the keyboard icon on it, right there, and then the other has the pass-through icon on it. So you don't have to plug in the pass-through if you're not using it, but you do have to plug in the keyboard, obviously. So that's my quick unboxing for the Corsair Vengeance K70 keyboard. Stay tuned for the review, and please subscribe if you want to see the review. And go ahead and check all the description box below for the official link, the Amazon link, and I'll see you again next time, guys. Thanks for watching.